Hi, I'm David Ricks, a personal injury trial lawyer in Rancho Cucamonga. During my practice, I've run across situations where people have lost information or can't remember what happened at an accident. So one of the things I did early on was create a form that people could keep in their glove box. You can actually download that form here from our website. It'll give you a lot of information on what you need when you're involved in an accident so you don't lose that later on. But then, as technology changed, I realized there's something that we all have on us almost at all times, and that's a smartphone or some kind of phone that has information or has a camera, for example, that can capture information. And one of the things you want to do with that smartphone after you've been involved in an accident is, very first thing, is call 911. Make sure you get the attention you need from emergency personnel, police, paramedics, ambulance, for example. Now, the other thing you want to use your smartphone for is to take pictures or video of the accident scene itself. Because once those vehicles are moved and the street's clean, all of that's gone. And it would be so much more helpful to you to have a picture of exactly what it looked like when the accident occurred or right after the accident occurred, so that you could present that information to the insurance company or to a jury or a judge to prove your case. The other thing you want to use that phone for is to take pictures of the vehicles to see the damage that was caused from this terrible accident that you were involved in. The third thing you want to use it for is to take pictures of the information from the opposing driver, maybe his driver's license or her driver's license, their insurance information, things of that nature. You can also use your smartphone to get information from witnesses. Again, you might want to take a picture of their driver's license and their contact information, because they'll be gone, and if you don't have that information, it'll be gone forever. You can use your smartphone also to take a video statement of that witness if they'll let you do that, so that you have it preserved of exactly what happened from their perspective at the time of the accident. The next thing you can use your smartphone for is to take pictures of any visible injuries, either right there at the accident or shortly thereafter. Bruises, they heal, but if you take pictures and they're preserved, then you get the documentation you need to help prove how bad this case was. You want to keep these things fresh in your mind, and so maybe one of the things you could use your smartphone for is to take your own personal statement by video with your phone. Now, here's what happened to one of my clients. They were involved in an accident. They didn't do any of these things. And when we brought the claim, the other side claimed that it was my client's fault. And the witness that had come forward was no longer available, and they didn't have any of their information. I don't want anybody to have to go through that trouble. If they've got a claim, I don't want to have them victimized by not having the information they need to bring their claim. So use your smartphone, use our form that we have available to you so that you can protect yourself. You don't want the other driver claiming that you were responsible for the accident when you can prove it was their fault. Again, I'm David Ricks. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Rancho Cucamonga. If you have an accident and you need help, give us a call.